Think fast, charge faster. This is the OnePlus 11 Pro, where speed meets style and power becomes personal. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, the OnePlus 11 Pro is not just fast, it's ridiculously fast. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this beast doesn't blink. 120Hz AMOLED display? Check. Dolby Vision? Check. A battery that goes 0 to 100 real quick? Double check. With 100W SuperVOOC charging, you get a day's power in less than 30 minutes. Say hello to the Hasselblad camera system, sharper portraits, cinematic 8K video, and low-light photography that actually works. It's like carrying a DSLR in your pocket. Against the iPhone or Galaxy, the OnePlus 11 Pro stands tall. You get flagship specs, bloat-free OxygenOS, and a price tag that won't break the bank. From the boardroom to the beach, this phone does it all. Smooth, fast, reliable. Just like you expect from OnePlus. OnePlus 11 Pro. Speed reimagined. Like what you see? Tap that like button, subscribe for more tech drops, and tell us, would you switch?